Oh, were we done arguing?
Put it back on.
So Andrew likes to touch things.
Breaking the law, breaking the law.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
My facial muscles are so strong, I took my mask down without touching it.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hi, folks.
Wow.
Here we are, last day at the park. Oh my god, look at my camera, keeps fogging up. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Hopefully it's less humid at Hollywood Studios. Look at this.
Jeez.
Okay. Good evening from Hollywood Studios. Today I'm riding the Tower Terror at night for the very first time ever.
Oh, lightsaber. See, look at his is yellow.
Where? Oh,
I'm going red.
I think I'm going purple.
I'm evil.
I think I'm gonna do purple for sure. Yeah, we're doing the lightsaber workshop thing tonight. But first we're gonna hit a few rides.
Yes, sir.
So naturally I am not the biggest fan of Tower of Terror. Andrew is. No way this line is 45 minutes long.
No, bro.
No way.
No, not 45 minutes. This is like
We're
15.
like yeah.
Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
We'll be ready in just one moment. Does anybody need anything while we wait? Towel, shampoo, conditioner? All of that. All of that? Awesome. All you have to do to get that is scream. Make sure the hands are up, okay?
Damn, that was crazy. Yeah, that was fun. That woke me up.
It's 7:38, bro. We can hit that one more time.
Yeah, and I'll put my camera away for this one so we can really enjoy it. So here we are on our way to the lightsaber workshop thing. I got my matcha. Andrew's got his
Frappuccino.
frappuccino.
Si, senor.
Oh, that's what I needed. Starbucks probably was not the best move for us.
I think I'm gonna go with elemental nature.
I don't know, I think I might go with either peace and justice or protection and defense. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Or should I do this one? No, I want this one for sure. Alright, protection and defense because I can't defend myself, so I need all the help I can get.
Anybody asked you what you're carrying, what are you going to call it? Scrap metal. Simple as that, all right?
Here we go. This is exciting. So sweet. Right here? I gotta see.
And to build this, a lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now the saber is a reflection of the builder. with the force flowing between you. And tonight, you will feel that connection. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. Green, the crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. Now open your eyes and take your crystal. Good, very good. Now you will start work on your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. And the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating.
By sliding that switch up. Then activate together as a group. Good. You are.
I'm struggling.
No, we're gonna make sure you walk away with something that works. Sometimes they give us scrap results.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
But I promise you, my friends, your time is coming. Now, we move forward to the final act within our building.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between saber and builder is about to be forged. On my mark, activate! Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember you are as unique and as extraordinary as the blade you forged. And perhaps next time we shall tell your stories. Raise and activate your lightsaber. An honor to have built with you. May the skies keep you through that doorway. Farewell and good luck.
So we did it. We have built our lightsabers. Pretty sure the park is closed. Now we're heading back to the hotel. My lightsaber had really bad scrap metal.
Yours was having trouble.
My protection and defense. And we got free pins. That's nice. Definitely worth that much money. Wait, let me turn mine on. Where the fuck is my thing at? Where the fuck is my thing at? Wait. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, me and Andrew, when we get back to the hotel, we're gonna have a battle, so stay tuned. We just got back and we woke Crimson up so she can tape our battle. Our trip is over. Andrew, how do you feel?
Bro, am I smart or what?
Can't check out yet.
Mom's putting her stuff in the car. Camille already left. She was forced. She has work today. She left at what time? 3. I gotta get up at 3 a.m.
Yeah, bro, she was pissed. She recorded that.
Bro. Bro. Pluto.
Dad, we got our pictures of Pluto and Goofy.
I was gonna say, do we have to check out after anything or just leave?
I don't know.
I don't know. I said that. Me and Andrew got our picture of Pluto and Goofy.
Should we take the thing, boy, go walk out there and give our beer away?
Dude, people will probably be like, why would I accept a beer from you?
They're not open, they're canned.
I don't know, man.
Would you like to have a Bud Light, a Corona, or an Angry Orchard? Your shirt says I drink and I know things. Okay? It's gonna be, these are $10 all day long. They're free for you. We're leaving. They're leftovers from last night.
We got them as a free gift, and we can't take it on the plane. So if you want it,
You got it as a free gift, and now you're giving it as a free gift.
yeah.
Have a great day.
Can I trade you for the Angry Orchard instead? I'm not really a big Corona fan. Thank you guys.
I could tell this guy watching.
Don't do it, TV.
Doing God's work, bro.
Morning. How are you? For you, sir.
Are you kidding me?
Free.
Thank you so much. You made my day, my week.
Bye, Disney.